towards their behaviour and want there to be some sort of retributive justice to take place. Focus now on these people, how angry at their behaviours, and notice how these feelings are ruining your day-to-day life and blocking you from attracting what you want in your life. Focus now on the person or persons and notice that the negative person and their behaviour traits are coming up to the left or right, an image. You can see it outside your space, your facial awareness. You can see this image now, it's clear as day. And it really, really, really is making you so angry, so frustrated. Follow those angers and frustrations now, deep within your body, your mind, your heart and your soul. And I want you to notice that the feelings of anger are within your stomach and your solar plex. And they mean that your stomach muscles are tense and your body is tense. And you're going into fight or flight. You can feel the aggression. You can feel the adrenaline pumping through your body as you focus on what these people are doing. Follow the adrenaline rush deep inside your body to where you could feel the adrenaline pumping, the anger, the aggression, almost thoughts of wanting to kill or harm these people for what they're doing with their behaviours. Notice that you're trying to protect your family. You're trying to protect what's important to you and what you love. And notice that the love deep within inside yourself is surrounded by violence, aggression and anger. I want you now to start chiseling through that violence, aggression and anger that's on the outside of you that's causing you to go into fight or flight and fearing for your safety and your family's safety. Start to chisel through those angers and those aggressions, through the darkness, through the blackness, through the fear of your family's death, trying to protect your family. Look at the incidents that are taking place. Find that place where you want revenge so desperately inside yourself. You want the revenge. You want to see this person or persons punished for their actions. Follow that aggression as you open up the Akashic records in the context of revenge and anger. Drop beneath all that now in your side, in your stomach. That aggressive behaviour now. Drop right through. Keep chiseling through all the aggression in your stomach. Notice what's beneath the aggression. Drop beneath the darker colours. What's beneath those dark colours. Keep smashing through deep, deep into your stomach, deep into your soul. As you drop into the light in your stomach. Open up the Akashic records. I want you to drop down the previous existence connected to other incarnations of this person or persons where you've had the same conflict in a previous existence, in a previous life. Find that specific memory in a previous life where you came into contact with this situation, person or persons that have caused great harm to you and your family. Find that place inside your mind, your heart and your soul, connected to the incident that you just simply cannot forgive, and just drop beneath that. An incident that hasn't happened yet in this lifetime, but has happened in a previous lifetime that you're so angry at, you're so aggressive towards. Drop beneath all of your aggression, all of your protection, all of your fear and all of your anxiety, until you find a place of innate peace deep within inside your soul. And ask in the Akashic records, see your eyes. So how does God see you? Through his eyes or her eyes? How does the universe see you? How does the universe see you? That's right. God loves you. The universe loves you. Is it okay to find that love, that self-love inside your heart, your mind, your soul? Find that divine peace where you're never going to feel challenged again by these horrible feelings. That's right, so find that peace in your stomach and bring it up into your mind. An image of your family, all living long, prosperous lives on the right paths, doing what they need to do, fulfilling their destiny. Look back now at the old image of this person or persons or situation that's caused you immense pain in the past. I want you to give that pain back to those persons, person or situation. Give that pain back and start cutting the cords in your body connected to your attachments, because this life no longer serves you. And now we are going to cut all the cords connected to this life. And we're going to bring that white light from your stomach down into your groin, down into your root chakra. Bring it up into your heart. Let your heart pump it through your veins all throughout your body. Bring it up into your mind. Look back at this old, terrifying image of the past and make it black and white. Take the sound out of it. Put a picture frame on it. Reduce it in size. Connected to the harm that was caused in a previous existence. It may be a funeral. It may be the death of someone you love. Someone like your family member. A child. It may be absolutely evil and unforgivable. I want you to find that place of forgiveness. How does God forgive you? Yes. See that forgiveness, feel that forgiveness, hear that forgiveness, and disconnect, forgive you, and forgive these people, person, situation, in the past. Right. Now, make a picture around it, make it black and white, take the sound out, reduce it in size, and pull it over to the other side, the other hemisphere of your brain. Imagine white light in your stomach, filling up your stomach now, just dissolving all the cords and connections to the terror that happened in the previous life. Let all of that negative emotions go. Right now. And say these words to this person, persons or situation. I love you. I forgive you. I thank you. I'm sorry for anything that I've done. It's time to forgive you, and you're going to forgive me. I'm going to let the situation go. So good luck, and God bless, and let this situation dissolve. Right now, cut the cords. Now seal up those previous lives. Seal up those previous lives. And know that we are done in these previous lives. Float towards the here and now, the present, sealing up those lives, placing positive colours of love, forgiveness, and peace and tranquility to every situation that reminds you of the situation. So if you ever feel challenged again in the context of the loss of a loved one, or this person that did horrible things to you in a previous existence, you will no longer feel that pull. And you allow karma, the natural cycle of karma, to take its course. And by detaching from the outcome, you will allow the karmic circle to complete itself, and for this person, persons or situation to have its own journey. Float towards your family now. See your family being prosperous and on their paths, and you on your path, doing the things that you need to do in this spiritual existence. And when you finish, you can come back into the here and now and open your eyes.